Hey man, I got another bigger box in front of me, and that could only mean one thing. It's new gear time, baby. What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Wavy Wayne from wavy.com, and if you don't know yet, this channel is all about helping you to record and mix better and faster, all right? And I think that what I got in this box is definitely gonna help me to record and mix better and faster because it's a brand new microphone. You already seen on the title and description of this video, so I ain't gotta hold you up, act like it's some big surprise, but man, I can't wait to open this box up and actually see what this thing looks like, man. So let's go ahead and get it going. So while I'm opening this, well, first let me get this first initial package off because it's probably gonna be a little loud. I've been opening so many packages lately that I had to go ahead and get me a official unboxing knife, man. Because those little cheap scissors I was using just wasn't cutting it, right? Alright. Yes, sir. Oh man, this is a heavy box, and this box came all the way from Chile, man. That's right, this is a microphone that is made by a company called Stam Audio in Chile, man. And they say that it is an exact replica of a U47. That's right, a U47, one of the most revered microphones that has pretty much ever been made. And it is literally a fraction of the price that if I were to try to buy a vintage U47 right now. So when I heard about this company, I did a little research, checked out their website, looked at a couple videos and reviews on YouTube for sure, and they had some pretty dope shootouts, man. And this microphone honestly was very impressive. So this is the Stam Audio SA47. We're gonna see how it comes in the box, man. I'm super excited because my wife Lydia, she's about to be starting to record a new album soon, and I was like, man, we just need something special to really kick that new album off, and I felt like this microphone was it. So, oh my god, huge flight case, super big, dumb heavy, man. This thing is heavy. You gotta make sure that you then ate your Wheaties before you try to pick this thing up, but everything seems to be pretty solid. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, man. Whew, your boy Wavy, man. I've wanted a U47 style microphone for a minute, and there's a lot of replicas on the market, but it just felt like, you know what I mean, this just might have been the one. So let's just go ahead and see what exactly is in this box that we got right here. So I'll start off with this shock mount. Actually a pretty beautiful looking shock mount. Okay, so metal, you know, seems to be constructed pretty well. Got a little nickel finish on it. I like it, man. It looks good. Nice and big, like this microphone is about to be. Let's set that right to the side over there. What else we got? We got a nice little windscreen, okay, in case you need to use that. I'm gonna just shove that back in there. Can't really see myself using that one too much. The cable, here's a mic cable, right? This is a tube condenser microphone, and so you see the power supply. This cable is, it looks like it's pretty dang on long, man. That's a pretty long cable for sure. So no matter where you set this mic up at, you'll be able to reach the power supply no matter how far away it is. So we'll set that off to the side, and then under here is just my power cable, typical power cable for the power supply. All right, so we're gonna put that back, and I'm gonna put this back in here too. All right, new mic, man. And again, this flight case, sometimes you'll get a mic, man, the flight case feels a little flimsy and all that, but for this mic, it actually feels really good and strong. So let's talk a little bit. Dude, wow, massive power supply. Look at how big that thing is, man. That thing is about as big as my head. Super big power supply. SA47 tube condenser mic power supply. I'm glad they got that labeled on there, and they let me know that that because this is like a foreign mic, that they're a foreign manufacturer, that their mics all come set to 230 volts, and I should change that for my voltage. So since I'm in America, I'm gonna go ahead and switch that now down to the 115 volts that we use here, and then go ahead and close that up. All right, and then I'm gonna tighten that down. They left that a little loose to make sure hey man, don't blow up your power supply because you're sending the wrong amount of voltage to it. So definitely glad that they got that there. I'm gonna go ahead and sit this back. Now, big old, that thing like a tank, man. Super heavy too. That's probably what's causing all of this weight up in here. Okay, so. And then let's just go ahead and get to the start of the show, man. I wish Lydia was here right now so I could go ahead and just do the test, but she ain't here. All right, so here we go, man. This is a nice solid wood box. I wish I knew more about wood and I'd tell you what kind of wood it was, but your boy don't know nothing about wood. I know about microphones, man. And this microphone, again, it is an exact replica of the U47. They didn't skimp on any parts, has the same circuitry. Hey man, I want to give a big shout out to Roland for sponsoring the channel and helping me to continue to bring y'all some dope content. I have been having so much fun using my Roland VERSELAB MV1. It's gotten me back into producing, making beats, making songs, and having a good time doing it without even having to use any DAW. I literally can set this joint up in my bedroom and just start making music. If you're watching this video while the giveaway is still going on, click the link down in the description below so you can win your own Roland VERSELAB. Let's go ahead and take this plastic off. Wow, take a look at this thing. Just look at how beautiful that casket is, man. Oh my God. Look at that mic, man. That's a beautiful, beautiful microphone. It feels good. It feels like I'm holding a piece of history in my hand right now. Look at this case that the mic came in, man. Like, I call it the microphone casket because that's what it looked like, man. It got a little velvet casket, all right? So let's go over some of the specs while you just drooling over this microphone. Again, it's got a custom design K47 capsule from Braingasm Microphone Labs, AMI BVR8 output transformer, Telefunken Simon's NOS EF800 tube. It has omni pattern switching, which is on the actual power supply. Omic carbon comp resistors, Nutric connectors, PS 110 to 220 volts, custom microphone holder, a wooden box, a flight case. It's got 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz frequency response. This is handmade in Chile. 1-year warranty, 30-day money back guarantee. So if I don't like it, I'm gonna send this thing back. And I can't see why I wouldn't like it. So yeah, this is a beautiful microphone. I'm about to actually go ahead and power it up just to make sure that everything is working. Got me hot in here, man. It's like I'm on the first date with this microphone. But yeah, man, super beautiful microphone. I'm gonna go ahead and power it up, run some tests through it, make sure it's working, and yeah, give y'all my first impressions. All right, y'all, this is an initial test of the Stam Audio SA47 U47 microphone clone. So far in my headphones, it sounds amazing. How do you think it sounds? Again, this is just the initial test to make sure everything is working, that everything got shipped correctly and well coming from Chile. But does it sound like a U47? We're gonna see. I actually have a friend Adam, who has a couple of other U47 clones. So we're going to stack them up and do a shootout with those. And, you know, I got to get Lydia on this mic so y'all can hear it. So drop down in the comments. Let me know what other kind of stuff y'all want to hear. Thanks for watching this video. I'm Wavy Wayne. Be dope, man.